Do you have dry skin? 24 ways to moisturize your face and hands. Interesting about science and medicine prepared by editors of a channel All Scientifical. The outer layer of a skin works like a well-oiled machine, but sometimes the production of essential oils doesn't meet its need. Typically, problems arise if you shower too often, use soap to dry out the skin, or live in a region of the world where the air humidity is similar to that of a desert. How to choose the right moisturizer? Most dry skin products which moisturize the skin protect it from moisture loss, acting as a shell. In other words, they slow down the loss of the skin moisture rather than moisturize it, but they do this very well. Causes of dry skin. When the skin is functioning normally, its gland produces the optimal amount of sebum, which makes the skin soft and supple. But during the cold season, due to dry air, both indoor and outdoor, the skin can become dry and crusty. The skin becomes cracked and rugged. The face and hands are considered the most susceptible part of the body. Physiologically, it has been observed that the hands produce the least sebum compared to other parts of the body. When should you see a doctor for dry skin? If after 2 weeks of using the product mentioned in our article, the skin remains dry. If the skin shows signs of infection, suppuration or redness, if a patient suffers from conditions such as diabetes or hypothyroidism. How to moisturize the skin of the face and other parts of the body using folk remedy. First method, milk bath. Tempting? Right. Don't rush to the store to fill a bathroom with milk. This treatment does require a large amount of this wonderful liquid. The lactic acid in milk cleanses the skin of dead cells and improves the skin ability to retain moisture. Soak a cloth in cold milk, then apply it to dry, irritated skin and leave it for a few minutes. When rinsing, rinse gently to ensure some of the lactic acid remains on the skin. How to moisturize your skin? Method 2. Epsom salt. Epsom salt is a natural magnesium sulfate. To soften hardened skin, take a warm bath with 2 cups of Epsom salt added. After a while, when the skin is moisturized, rub it with Epsom salt to remove dead skin cells. You will be surprised at the results this method produces. For best results, add a little eelgrass to the bath. How to moisturize your skin? Method 3. Aloe vera gel. Gel made from fresh aloe vera relieves dry skin. It contains acids that remove layers of dead skin. To obtain fresh aloe vera gel, cut a leaf from the plant and use a knife to separate into 2 halves. The extracted gel can be used for cosmetic purposes. How to moisturize your skin? Method 4. Avocado. Measure avocado pulp and apply the resulting cream to your face as a mask. The oil it contains softens the skin and is rich in vitamin E. How to moisturize your skin? Method 5. Vegetable oils. To retain skin moistures, use the following oils: peanut oil, petroleum jelly, mineral oil, lanolin, derived from sheep's wool, margarine. Caution: use this in moderation to avoid discomfort. How to moisturize your skin? Homemade skin moisturizer. You can make a homemade skin moisturizer by mixing 1 tablespoon of bee husk and 2 tablespoons of lanolin in a double boiler. Add 2 tablespoons of rose water, 3 tablespoons of olive oil and a tablespoon of aloe vera. Use this mixture chilled. How to choose the right moisturizer for your face and hands? Method 7. Alpha hydroxy acids. Many cosmetic products contain alpha hydroxy acid. A cream with alpha hydroxy acid removes dead skin cells, leaving soft, healthy cells in their place. How to choose the right moisturizer for your face and hands? Method 8. Urea. Lotions containing urea are also helpful for dry skin. How to choose the right moisturizer for your face and hands? Method 9. Emollients. Add emollients to your bath. They will make your skin softer. What soap moisturize the skin? Method 10. Lightly scented soap. If you use scented soap, avoid it. The problem is that heavily scented soaps dry out your skin and the fragrances they contain can irritate it. What soap moisturize the skin? Method 11. Cream soap. Cream soaps are another way to retain skin moisture. They contain a lot of oil and fats, which are added during the final stage of a soap production. When using this cosmetic product, a protective layer of oil remains on the skin. What soap moisturize the skin? Method 12. Soft soap. Use mild soap because they contain the skin's pH at normal level. They cleanse the skin without negatively affect the oil on the surface of the body. What soap moisturize the skin? Method 13. Liquid soap. Use liquid soap is very beneficial for skin health. Choose a moisturizing liquid soap for washing your hands to prevent dry skin. Lifestyle for dry skin. Method 14. Short shower. Avoid long shower or bath. Generally, it is recommended to limit showers to a maximum of 15 minutes. Extending the shower time increases the risk of significantly removing the protective oil layer from the skin. Avoid hot water. It is better to use warm water. Hot water removes oil from the surface of the body faster, which increases the risk of dry skin. Lifestyle for dry skin. Method 15. Plain soap only on certain area of the body. To maintain skin moisture, use soap when washing the following areas: growing armpit, feet. Wash the rest of your body with plain water only. Lysol for dry skin. Method 16. Shower only in the evening. Try to shower or bath in the evening. This will give your skin more time until morning to restore its protective oils. Lifestyle for dry skin. Method 17. Humidity in the home is very important. During the cold season, maintain comfortable humidity in your home. To do this, follow this recommendation. Place a container of water near a heat source in the room. Place container of water on radiators. Leave a bathroom door open when bathing or showering. Place a humidifier next to your bed and keep the bedroom door closed when the humidifier is running. A lifestyle for dry skin. Method 18. Use your fireplace or wood stove less often. If your home has an alternative heating source, avoid using a fireplace or wood stove. These heat sources make the air very dry. Lifestyle for dry skin. Method 19. Drink more fluids. Our body needs 2 liters of water daily. This is approximately 8 glasses. Of course, you can drink other liquid instead of water, herbal teas, juices. This rule does not apply to drinks with a diuretic effect: coffee, cola, black and green tea, alcoholic beverage. When consuming such drinks, the body will require additional water due to increased frequency of urination. Lifestyle for dry skin. Method 20. Grow indoor flowers. To maintain humidity in our apartment, grow indoor plants. We increase the humidity in room through photosynthesis and the evaporation of water when watered. Nutrition for dry skin. Method 21. Fatty fish. Eat fatty fish more often, at least twice a week. Fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acid when help maintain healthy skin. The richest source of omega-3 fatty acid are salmon, herring, sardines, mackerel. Nutrition for dry skin. Method 22. Plant source of omega-3 fatty acid. Other good source of omega-3 fatty acids include Flaxseed oil, avocado nuts. Add 2 tablespoons of flaxseed oil daily to your breakfast cereal. Caution: add flaxseed only to cold or warm foods. Hot foods break down flaxseed oil into toxic substance. Nutrition for dry skin, method 23. B-complex vitamins and vitamin C. Regular intake of B-complex vitamins, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, and minerals helps maintain healthy skin. Regularly take the following vitamin supplements containing the following vitamins: vitamin B5, pantothenic acid, vitamin B2, riboflavin, vitamin B1, thiamine, Brewer's yeast. Nutrition for dry skin, method 24. Complex vitamin supplements. Multivitamin supplements contain many beneficial substances for the skin. These supplements contain the following chemical: vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B2, vitamin B9, zinc, selenium. Of course, these are other ways to moisturize your skin, but consult your dermatologist before using them. Thank you for your attention. This material is prepared by editors of the page of Scientifical. Attention, this material is for information purposes only. When observing very unusual symptoms, it is recommended to consult a doctor. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.